Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe before the end of this video and share with friends and family, and also give my video a thumbs up whenever you watch my video. And a very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all for keep on turning in. May God continue to bless you all. Thank you so much. So today is another video, another challenge. This one is challenge, so you guys will bear with me because this is challenge video to upload video. It's all about upload video in 1 week, every day, no missing. It's between 3 people, Goldie Lady and Device Mike. I don't know if anybody's among, but I know these 3 of us, we are doing this challenge of uploading every week, every day for 1 week. So you guys will bear with me when you see my upload all the time. So it's the first challenge, to upload is not easy. So to edit is not easy. Come to think of the time, and also I hope I make it. I don't fail out of the challenge, because if I fail out, there is something you have to pay. You pay. You have to buy something for those who make it. Yeah, and it costs a lot, and it costs so much. So it's Mac product here. Mac product. That is what you will buy when you fail out of this challenge. I hope I didn't fail out. So it's not easy. Time for work, time to film, and time to edit is not easy at all. So you guys should bear with me when you are seeing my video uploading all the time, because it's challenge for Monday till Friday, for Monday till Sunday. That will be the end, or Sunday will be the end. So that is it for today. So for me not to make this video so long, so let's just continue. Let's jump to the video, to the look, to the eyeshadow. So it's all about eyeshadows, So see you guys on my next video. I'm using the Juvia Place concealer, to blend my crease. So I'm using this brush which I used before to blend it all. So I'm done with that. So I'm using this brush here. I'll be using this brush here. I'm picking for this place, this Juvia Place. So I'm using this red color. So I will do the same thing here. So I'm using for Revolution. So to blend it together, I'm still using the same brush. I'm taking for Juvia. I'm taking for Morphe palettes. I'm using this yellow color here, so that is what I'm using. So apply this blue shade here. That is what I'll be using. I'm using this dark shade here. So now I'll be going for the foundation, the primer, the concealer, the contour off camera. So I'll bring the full look to you guys to see. So see you soon. I'm back with my foundation and my lipstick, lashes and all. So I'll be doing the remaining things for the eyeshadow. So I will use the same blue which I used before, so I'll also use it for the under eye. So that is what I will be doing with you. So I will take for the same blue I used before. My glitter, I take for this my normal glitter, so I will just apply for the tears dots eye. So guys, this is the final look of this eyeshadow video. So no cut crease, so I didn't do anything cut crease, so no. So that is it. If you love this video and you watch it from beginning to the end, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you all. Bye.